The world is changing faster than ever before, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's driving innovation in every industry you can think of. From healthcare and finance to gaming and autonomous vehicles, AI is reshaping the future of work and life as we know it. Companies are pouring billions of dollars into AI research, and the demand for skilled AI engineers has never been higher. Imagine this: by 2030, the AI industry is projected to be worth a staggering $15 trillion globally. And here's the kicker: AI engineers are among the highest paid tech professionals in the world, earning six-figure salaries even at entry-level positions. But it's not just about money. Being an AI engineer means you get to work on solving some of the world's biggest challenges, building algorithms that diagnose diseases, creating smarter cities, and designing systems that make life easier for billions of people. So, if you've ever wanted to be part of something bigger, something truly impactful, this is your moment. In this video, I'm going to give you a crystal clear roadmap to becoming an AI engineer in just 6 months. No fluff, no unnecessary jargon, just a step-by-step guide that works. So whether you're a student, a working professional, or even a complete beginner, this roadmap will set you on the path to success. We start with Python. Why Python? Because it's simple, intuitive, and used by almost every AI project out there. In your first month, focus on the basics: variables, loops, functions, and classes. If you're new to programming, platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, or YouTube tutorials will be your best friends. Don't just learn, build. Start with mini projects like a calculator or a simple game. This hands-on practice will make all the difference. Next up, math. Don't worry, you don't need to be a mathematician to excel in AI. But understanding the basics of linear algebra, calculus, and probability is crucial. These concepts are the backbone of how AI models learn and make predictions. Use YouTube channels like 3 Blue 1 Brown for intuitive visual explanations, and start experimenting with small datasets to see how these concepts work in real life. Data is the lifeblood of AI. In month 3, focus on understanding how to collect, clean, and analyze data. Libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib will help you turn raw data into actionable insights. Remember, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Garbage in, garbage out. Now it's time to bring everything together. Machine learning is where the magic happens. Start with simple algorithms like linear regression and classification. Then move on to more advanced techniques like decision trees and clustering. Tools like scikit-learn make it super easy to experiment with these models. Join Kaggle competitions. This will expose you to real-world challenges and help you learn faster than any book or course ever could. By month 5, you're ready to tackle deep learning. Neural networks are the heart of modern AI. Start with simple feed-forward networks, then dive into convolutional neural networks for images and recurrent neural networks for sequences like text or audio. Use TensorFlow or PyTorch to build these models. Finally, the most exciting part: building and deploying your projects. By now, you've learned the tools and concepts, so it's time to put them into action. Build a chatbot, a fraud detection system, or even an AI-powered image generator. Then deploy them using Flask, Fast API, or Streamlit so the world can see your work. 6 months. That's all it takes to start your journey as an AI engineer. The key is consistency, curiosity, and never stopping your learning process. AI is evolving every day, and so can you. So what are you waiting for? The future of AI is calling, and it's your time to shine. If this roadmap inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of becoming an AI engineer. And tell me in the comments, what's your first AI project going to be?